In order to set the target cell to 0, we first need to know where the target cell is located within the maze. To refresh, this is row 0, 1, 2, 3, and columns 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that this is row 2, column 4. To implement this in our program, the first thing we need to do is set the variables associated with the target cell appropriately. So this would be 2 and this should be 4. And if these variables worked the same way as the mouse row and column variables, we would be done. But the difference here is that the mouse row and column variables are used by the print function of the maze class to create a visual for us that indicates where the mouse is within the maze. The target row and column variables need to be used by the solve function to actually change a value within the maze array. So we need to go into our maze class and add one line of code to change that value. So here we're looking at the solve function after I initialize the array. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little comment up here because this is going to get fairly complicated. Initialize array. I want to be able to remember what each line does. The next thing I'm going to put here is a note that says set target cell. And to do that, I'm going to set the value arrays target row and target column equal to 0. Once I've added this line of code, I should be able to plug in an Arduino, upload the program, open my serial monitor, and start the program. And here you can see the target cell has been set to 0.